good. I'm good, too.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Yeah, terrific. Just wanted to thank you. For returning my scarf.
Oh, so is that what had you running out here like a madman?
I guess so.
So, I guess I will see you around?
Yeah.
At the cafe. So,
Yeah,
I guess
sure.
I will see you around.
Molly, wait. What are you doing this weekend? Molly, wait.
Well, that depends. Why do you ask?
Well, I have this holiday fundraiser thing. I promised my sister and nephew I'd go. Thought maybe you'd like to come.
Why?
Why? Oh, well, because it's for charity.
Oh, and based on the crappy wages I make at the cafe, you think I work for free?
No, not at all. I just thought
Just kidding. When is it?
Saturday morning. Pick you up maybe 8:30.
That sounds great.
See you Saturday.
Hello. How can I help? Dad,
Hi, Molly.
what are you doing here?
Well, I was in the neighborhood. Yeah, I thought I'd stop you. Well, that and you haven't returned any of my calls or my texts about the holidays and other things.
Well, I just figured it was a ruse to discuss me working for you again.
No, not at all. I just think it's a good idea for a father to spend some time with his daughter, right? Can we sit?
Fine.
So I got word that you're interviewing for a position at Rollins and Ward. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then I'm here to make you an offer of my own.
What happened to no agenda?
Okay, well, maybe there's a little agenda.
No. Dad, thank you, but no.
Well, just hear me out. We're opening a new office in Buffalo. You can run it. Be completely your own thing, totally independent and autonomous.
So, I could hire my own staff, pick my own clients, do things my way?
Well, within reason.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hold on, please. Sit. Molly, help me understand this. You're willing to work for a rival company, but not me?
You understand perfectly.
And that really hurts my feelings.
That would be new.
Now, come on.
What is that thing you're always saying? It's not personal, it's just business.
No, that's not fair. I'm just trying to help.
Dad, I want to pave my own way. I don't want you and your connections always propelling me through life. You should be proud of that.
I am proud of that. You've always been very independent, but why would you spend months learning the ropes for a job that you're already overqualified for?
So that I can prove myself and then eventually get a higher position with them.
But I'm offering you a top-level job already.
So that you can control my decisions and then make sure those decisions are in your best interest.
So what's the matter with both of us winning? Molly, you would be a huge asset to that new office, and I'm not just offering you this as a way of stopping you from taking the Rollins and Ward thing.
It's a factor.
Well, it's not a factor.
to get back to work.
Molly.
Bye, Dad.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, listen. Tell them we're gonna need that Friday. We gotta have it by Friday.
So, toy drive benefits the Hartford School for Hearing somehow?
No, actually they host charity events like this to help support the community. One of their main goals is to give back and teach their students to be empathetic.
That's impressive. And your nephew's hearing impaired, so he attends.
Yeah. We realized when Josh was a toddler that he didn't hear loud noises like other kids did. He knows sign language. Advanced hearing aids are amazing. Molly.
Yeah?
I'm really glad you came.
Me too.
You may change your mind once we put you to work.
Oh.
I think this is it here, yeah. Oh, wow.
This looks incredible.
Yeah. Oh, I see Sam. Hi. Sam, brought you an extra set of hands. This is Molly Bishop. Molly, this is my sister Samantha.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming.
Happy to help wherever you need me. Just tell me what to do.
Well, I could definitely use some help with the wrapping.
Sure.
Aiden, I think they need some drivers to help deliver the packages that are ready to go.
I can help wrap.
No thanks. I've seen your wrapping.
Oh, hey, Josh. You want to go for a drive? Whoa, slow down, buddy. A little fast for me.
Who wants ice cream while you're out?
Oh. Josh, this is Molly. Molly? Josh.
Can you show me how to sign nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sure you're gonna be okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
We'll be fine.
Josh obviously adores him.
Yeah. When Josh's dad and I split, he couldn't handle having a special needs child. Aiden stepped in as a sort of surrogate father.
Sorry to hear that, but it's wonderful that Aiden was able to step in.
Definitely.
Well, put me to work. Whatever you need me to do.
Something's missing. Now you're ready. I hope you get that PR position. Sounds like an amazing opportunity.
Thank you. Honestly, my fingers are sore. They've been crossed for so long.
No, that's the wrapping. It's nice to finally get to know a little bit about the woman distracting Aiden so much lately. I knew something was up with him.
Oh, actually, we're just friends, I guess.
You're the first woman he's introduced us to, and, well, I think ever.
Well, honestly, I don't really know much about him. He joined me at a friend's concert, and he comes into the Mulberry Cafe, where I work, until the end of the month anyway. It's just down the street from his office.
He actually takes a lunch break? Oh, wait, let me guess. Turkey and Swiss on rye.
You know him well.
He's been eating the same sandwich for lunch since we were kids. He's a creature of habit, always has been.
You two are close?
Yeah, really close. Our parents died in a car accident when we were young. I was 13, he was 18. Just out of college. Josh. He quit to take care of us. It was hard. Now look at him. He's a hotshot consultant.
Seems to be doing well.
He's a workaholic. Maybe now that he's met you, that might change.
Yeah, so, what do you do?
I'm a nurse at the Brantford Women's Clinic.
You must be busy yourself.
Right now I am, but unfortunately the clinic is struggling to keep its doors open. To be honest, I'm not sure how much longer I'll have a job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thanks. We do a lot of good. It'll be tough to see it close. There the guys are now. Please don't mention the clinic's funding issues to Aiden. He's got enough on his plate and he's already helped out the school.
I won't say a word.
Thank you. He works so hard because he feels an obligation to
Fix people.
you know, want to.